Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today's video contains the best Amazon home and kitchen gadgets this month that will amaze you. So don't skip the video and watch till the end. If you like the video, please subscribe and click the bell icon to be the first to see my new videos. Thanks, so let's start the video. Night light, motion-activated LED sensor. The LED toilet light with high-quality light sensor and motion sensor. It will automatically turn on when detects movement and stay on for 2 minutes after last movement, protecting your kids from stumbling around in the dark. Ultra-water resistant and can be cleaned with most household cleaners. No more messy cleanups. It is a dream to find your way easily and safely without any worries, the choice of modern life. Creative lighting design. Choose between 8 single colors or color cycle. This toilet night lamp is going to make your toilet beautiful and easy to use at night. You can keep one color or color rotation on this bowl of light. Easy to install and clean. Operated by 3 AAA batteries, 1.5V, battery not included, which can be easily get and change. Simple design makes it easy to clean. Stool set. Poo leather. Thick padded foam. Made of fabric and upholstered bar chairs, has bigger size and soft padded foam. Double needle stitching PU leather for easy wipe and wear resistant. Sturdy structure. SGS certified gas pole ensures the stool is stable and not shaky. Anti-slip base prevents your bar stool from scratches and prevents harsh noises when moving. Footrest promotes good posture and relieves leg pressure. Adjustable design. 360-degree swivel and adjustable height design help you to easily access items and sit in a comfortable position. Seat height can be adjusted from 24 to 32.28. The airlift handle, allowing you to position the stool comfortably, depending on how tall you are. Modern style. Liven up your space with the charming bar stool that will catch eyes with its unique stylish charm. Love this ideal bar stools for use in the kitchen or dining area, coffee shops, etc. Tower fan. Bring comfort all around. This Drio 36-inch compact tower fan can bring comfort all around due to 90-degree oscillation and high speed, spatial cooling at up to 25 feet per second. Produced by Drio's all-in-one airflow system combines with a supercharged electric motor. This fan for bedroom enlivens every inch of air in your living space. Seamless smart integration. Use your tower fan easily with voice or access more functions like air temperature, speed settings, and modes through the Drio app. In auto mode, this floor fan senses the ambient temperature and automatically adjusts fan speeds. Customizable comfort. Featured. Easy to clean, safe to use. Removable rear grille and the impeller wheel make cleaning more accessible. Designed with fingertip pinch-proof grills, a fused plug and built-in circuit protection, this ETL-listed bladeless fan ensures safety is always prioritized. Space heater. ETL-certified safety. Made of V0 flame-retardant materials with multiple safety features including built-in smart tip-over protection, overheat protection, 12-hour timer, 24-hour automatic power off without interaction, V0 flame retardant 2-prong plug, and sturdy 6 feet long flat power cord. Safe and worry-free all-day use. Safety reminder. Please do not use with an extension cord. Only plug directly into the wall outlet. Fast indoor ceramic heater. Powerful 1500 WPTC ceramic heating allows this space heater to heat up in seconds. Suitable for warming up spaces in the home including bedrooms, basements, garages, living rooms, and can also be used in offices, dorms, hot yoga studios, etc. Heating coverage, 200 square foot. Steam compact iron. Anti-drip SmartStream technology. Engineered to prevent dripping by maintaining water at the proper temperature needed to generate steam. Volts, 120V. Wattage, 1200 W. Requires AC power. Easy fill translucent water tank. 3-way auto shutoff. Get peace of mind with motion-sensitive technology that automatically shuts off the iron if left inactive on its heel, side, or sole plate. To clean iron, wipe sole plate and outer surfaces with a soft cloth dampened with water. TrueGlide non-stick sole plate. The enhanced sole plate is designed to glide smoothly across all fabric types for ease of use. Recommended for fabrics such as cotton wool blend polyester, rayon nylon synthetic. Spray mist. This push-button mister helps moisten fabrics to tackle and smooth away deep wrinkles. Ergonomic comfort grip handle. Comfort grip handle ergonomically shaped to fit hand contours for comfort. while 360 degrees pivoting cord vacuum cleaner. Upgraded cyclone system. The Eureka PowerSpeed is now upgraded with new cyclone technology to handle larger debris, smaller dirt, and even microscopic dust. Specific uses: hard floor, carpet dual action. Powerful pickup. Penetrates deep into the carpet to extract embedded dirt, dust, and debris. Lightweight. PowerSpeed does all the work while still remaining lightweight. 5 height settings. The PowerSpeed works well on carpets, shag rugs, and hard floors. Its wheels run smoothly on hardwood floors to prevent scratches or gouges. Multiple accessories included. A quick-release handle is connected to the stretch hose for above-floor cleaning. A 7-inch long crevice tool, dusting brush, and upholstery tool help clean hard-to-reach areas. Extract dirt and pet hair and freshen up your car, curtains, ceilings, or door frames. For your convenience, they are all stored right on board. Toaster. Multifunctional toaster. Kickstart your mornings with fresh toast or perfectly warmed bagels with the Mueller Ultra Crisp 4-slice toaster. Features cancel, defrost, and reheat functions, self-centering slot guides, and intelligent heating technology to deliver even toasting every time. Full control. 6 browning settings let you take control of your toasting level so you can enjoy your toast exactly how you like it. Memory recall keeps your settings saved, but with sleek touch buttons and LED display, it's just as easy to switch between settings. Effortless cleaning. Toasters naturally gather crumbs, but with our removable crumb tray, maintenance is a breeze. The convenient underbase cord storage keeps your toaster compact and your countertop tidy. Crafted with premium components, this brushed stainless steel toaster is a guaranteed asset to your kitchen and a must-have for any apartment essentials list. Egg slicer. Stainless steel wire. Egg slicer wires made sturdy stainless steel with sturdy, tensioned wires that can slice through eggs cleanly without bending or breaking. Ergonomic design. Egg cutter made of high-quality aluminum alloy for the base and handle are durable and rust-resistant. Ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip. Non-slip bases keep the slicer stable during use. Ease of use. Egg slicer with a perfect egg slot. Just drop the egg, and with one click you get neat slices. Not just eggs, but also other soft foods like strawberries, mushrooms, banana, butter, and soft cheeses. Easy to clean. Hollow base design. Food residue is very easy to remove. Dishwasher safe or clean with light rubbing. Dish soap and a rinse of water, convenient and easy to clean. Service. If you have any problems, please feel free to contact us. We will reply in 24 hours. Pancake batter dispenser. Batter up. KP Kitchen proudly presents to you our durable and reliable pancake dispenser cupcake batter dispenser. Made entirely of high-quality BPA-free plastic, this easy-to-use 4-cup capacity pourer is designed with a wide mouth opening, making filling it up a breeze, and the quick close valve makes pouring the perfect pancake like a pro seem like child's play. New updated design to prevent breaking. Our redesigned pulley handle has been repositioned to ensure quality and durability. In short, IT won't break. So squeeze away pancake after pancake. Not to mention our fail-safe valve doesn't leak, leaving your hands and kitchen clean and making it safe to use by your little kids. Best of all, it's 3/4 inch wide, allowing for chunky muffin mix to slide through easy breezy. Air fryer. Innovative TurboBlaze technology delivers a powerful 3,600 RPM fan speed and temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, achieving beyond crispy, juicy perfection in every main dish. Advanced airflow and precise temperature control deliver evenly cooked side dishes with perfectly balanced texture in every bite. Innovative TurboBlaze technology helps speed up cooking to save time and deliver perfectly crispy family meals, even on busy weekdays. The 6-quart square basket offers a wider, deeper design for family meals in one go while saving kitchen counter and storage space. Enjoy the same crispy textures as traditional deep frying with up to 95% less oil star. Enjoy all your favorite fried foods without the guilt. Sponge holder. Rotatable spout. This kitchen sink caddy comes with a rotatable spout that swivels in 3 directions so that the water in the sponge can be directed to the sink. There won't be any water left on the countertop. You don't need to pull out the drip tray to clean it often, saving your cleaning time. Small volume Sicily sponge holder is suitable for kitchens with limited space. It measures only 9.25 by 3.97 by 6.37, holds a detergent bottle, a sponge ball, and sink stopper. With an extra upgraded brush holder that can hold up to 4 small and large-sized brushes. With the Sicily Sink Caddy, you can save countertop space perfectly. Satisfaction guaranteed. The Sicily Kitchen Sink Organizer is ready to use upon receipt. No installation required, and is widely used on counters or bathrooms, making it a satisfying gift. If you have any questions during use, please consult our customer service staff. We want to provide you with a pleasant shopping experience.